Okay, so this is obviously not my normal type of video, but I thought I'd make a quick tutorial for any parents out there who purchased Gorilla Tag shiny rocks for their young family members and they're pulling their hair out trying to figure out how to redeem them. So this will hopefully save you some stress, especially if you're watching this during the holiday season. And a quick note, these shiny rocks were purchased via Amazon, so if you purchase them elsewhere, you'll probably get the product key redeem code via email. So as long as you have the product key, you'll be able to redeem the shiny rocks, and I'll show you how to do that in a few seconds whenever we go to Meta. But first, if you purchased your shiny rocks via Amazon, this is how you'll access the product key to redeem them. So from your Amazon homepage, click on Returns and Orders in the upper right corner. Then find the shiny rocks purchase and click View Order Details. This will bring you to the search results page for some reason, so click the View Order Details link again. And this will bring you to the Order Details page. And from here, click the View Your Item button. And this is where you'll access your product keys needed to redeem the shiny rocks. Now, we purchased two separate shiny rock orders, so there are two product key codes here, and I've blurred them out for privacy and security purposes, but you get the point. Then all you'll do is click copy to copy the product key. Then head over to the Meta account that the Oculus is registered to. And first, I'm going to show you how to redeem the shiny rocks on a desktop. And then after that, I'll show you how to do it on a mobile device. But first, let's go through the desktop version. So once you're logged into your Meta account, click the little account avatar in the upper right corner. Then in the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen, click Redeem Codes and Gift Cards. Then in the field provided, paste the product key and click the Redeem Code button. And then once you do that, you'll get a notification below that the code worked and that the player can start using them. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that since I purchased two codes, I needed to do this process twice, and the second code only worked after the player opened Gorilla Tag and verified that the first set of the new shiny rocks had been applied. Then I was able to enter the second redeem code here in Meta and redeem the additional shiny rocks. Next, let me quickly show you how to redeem the shiny rocks via the mobile app. So, from your mobile device, find and open the Meta Horizon app. Then click the hamburger icon in the upper left corner. It's those three lines there. Then scroll down a bit until you find the Redeem Store Code tab and select it. Then all you'll do is paste the product key for the shiny rocks in that field provided and click the redeem button, and they will be applied to the app. So hopefully that saves you some headaches. And again, if you purchased your shiny rocks outside of Amazon, you'll more than likely receive the product key redeem codes via email. So check your email, enter the codes here, and you should be good to go. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these two videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.